The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. The enemy has conducted no offensive operations at Kupiansk direction. Russian artillery neutralized the fire on positions of the armed forces of Ukraine at distant approaches in order to prevent attacks at Russian positions. Up to 50 Ukrainian personnel, 2 tanks, 5 armored combat vehicles, 3 motor vehicles, as well as 1 field munitions depot have been eliminated by artillery fire near Berestovoye in Kharkov region. Redeployment of Ukrainian company tactical group across the Oskol River has been frustrated near Dvorechnoye in Kharkov region. Attack launched by Army aviation and Russian artillery has resulted in the elimination of over 30 Ukrainian personnel, 4 armored vehicles and 2 pickups. The armed forces of Ukraine made attempts to conduct reconnaissance by fire near Sergeyevka and Makeyevka in Lugansk People's Republic, Novosadovoye and Torskoye in Donetsk People's Republic. The involved units were driven back to their initial positions as a result of a fire attack. Up to 60 Ukrainian personnel, 2 armored combat vehicles and 7 pickups have been eliminated. Overnight, from 13th to 14th October, Russian forces frustrated preparatory activities of the Ukrainian armed forces at Zaporozhye direction for a riverborne landing operation near Zaporozhye nuclear power plant. According to updated information, attacks launched by Russian Aerospace Forces Army Aviation, missile troops and artillery at the amphibious force located in the Bay of Kakhovka Reservoir near Osokorovka in Kherson region have resulted in the elimination of over 50 Ukrainian personnel, 5 fast boats, 2 barges, 5 tanks and 4 infantry combat vehicles. High-precision attack launched by Russian Aerospace Forces at the provisional base of the 2nd Battalion from the 65th Mechanized Brigade of Ukrainian Armed Forces near Zaporozhye has resulted in the elimination of over 160 Ukrainian personnel accommodated in 3 outquarters. The enemy made unsuccessful attempts to launch an offensive towards Dutchany, Sadok and Dyshenka in Kherson region at Nikolaev-Kryvyi Rog direction. Intense action of Russian forces have resulted in repelling all the attacks. About 120 Ukrainian personnel, 17 armored combat vehicles and 8 motor vehicles have been eliminated. Moreover, Russian artillery has destroyed 5 ferries installed by the Ukrainian armed forces across the Ingulets River. Operational tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery have neutralized 4 Ukrainian command posts, 53 artillery units at their firing positions, 142 manpower and military equipment concentration areas. 5 missile, artillery armament and munitions depots have been destroyed near Glushkovka, Kupiansk in Kharkov region, Konstantinovka and Fyodorovka in Donetsk People's Republic, as well as Novaya Kaluga in Kherson region. Russian air defense facilities have shot down 1 Su-25 airplane of Ukrainian Air Force near Kiselovka in Nikolaev region. Moreover, 10 unmanned aerial vehicles, including 1 US-manufactured Switchblade 600, have been intercepted near Poltava in Lugansk People's Republic, Petrovskoye, Staromayorskoye, Nikolskoye in Donetsk People's Republic, Dmitrenko, Tomarino, Chaykino in Kherson region, and Tavricheskoye in Dnepropetrovsk region. In addition, 18 projectiles launched by HIMARS and Olha MLRS have been destroyed in the air near Svobodnoye in Donetsk People's Republic and Novaya Kakhovka in Kherson region. 2 US-manufactured HARM anti-radar missiles have been shot down near Kakhovka hydroelectric power plant. In total, 323 airplanes and 161 helicopters, 2,236 unmanned aerial vehicles, 380 air defense missile systems, 5,792 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 869 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,475 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 6,580 units of special military vehicles have been destroyed during the special military operation.